everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Anitra Latrice. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel you can expect to see wig reviews, of course, dinner lives, weekly vlogs, monthly resets, and so much more. So if you are interested in any of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. And you already see that thumbnail, sure knows about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. And they sent your girl over this gorgeous bombshell beauty right here, baby, and she is perfect for the spring and summer season. Now, if you want to see just how easy, okay, this wig was to put on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a key fun code. What's up, everybody? So I am excited. One reason is because I got another Luv Me Hair wig. Okay, second reason is I am trying a different color. Look at this color. Oh, this is out of my comfort zone, but we're gonna try it and see how she looks on me and see how these curls are and everything about this unit. So honey, I'm super duper excited to go on and put this unit on so we can see if she is spring and summer ready. Let's do it.
Oh baby, got a hold on it, let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it.
Okay, so this unit does fit ear to ear on me. Love it. All right, and look at this color. Look at it. That is so pretty. Okay, all right now. Okay, get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and clip this hair back so we can get to this lace. This is her. This is the hairline and whatnot. What we're going to do next is we are going to cut this lace.
Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
This is the lace cut. Now what I'm going to do is lay this lace down, and y'all already know, Nairobi on deck, and I'm just going to put some mousse around the hairline so we can melt this lace.
Hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it.
Now it's time for the band.
Well, baby,
now that we have the band on and we are melting the lace, let's go ahead and get into these curls. So y'all see these curls, look at that. So this looks good right out of the box. Let's take these clips out. And this is her right out of the box, y'all. Right out of the box. Curls looks good. Look at that. But we're going to help it out a little bit because y'all know this unit has been traveling in a box. So we're going to give it a little help by curling it, giving it a curl here or there. It doesn't need too much, but we're just going to give it a curl. Now, what I can say already off the top is this unit does shed. Look at that. Okay, it's shedding already. All right. But she's still cute. Okay, she's still cute. So what we're going to do next is we are going to go ahead and we are going to clip this hair back. We're going to clip it in sections so we can give this hair a curl.
usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chilling, I GDMing, yeah. Didn't want to share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. Let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right. So right.
All right, y'all. So here she is all curled up. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take this band off so we can see how this lace melted. Oh, y'all, look at there. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. The lace melted really, really nice. So y'all see these curls? let's go ahead and separate the curls.
I let 'em claim me. Wild thing try to tame me. But you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip. Souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake. Stars are in line. I'm posted. Lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be poetic. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby.
Okay, y'all, look at her. She is, yes, she's a keeper for sure. For sure, she's a keeper. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna put some powder around his hairline. Gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do next is, because we got just a little bit of flyaways, I'm gonna use my wax stick that I got from Amazon, and we are just going to put it around the top and around the front part, just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna use my hot comb to smooth everything out. Alright, y'all, look at her. Okay, I can say I look like a black Barbie. Yeah, I think I look like a black Barbie. What y'all think? Okay, yes, she is hands down spring and summer. Yes, she's spring and summer ready. Yes, honey. She is giving me nothing but life right now. Okay. Y'all, this color, I have never, I don't think I have, did this color before, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Do y'all see all the gorgeousness? Like, it's so gorgeous. Absolutely amazing. I am so loving this. So let me show you the back.
Timing's right, so right. Meant to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
Don't get her. She is so fun and cute and just bombshell gorgeous. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. All right, this is the type of unit that will turn heads, honey, because this is gorgeous. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's get into the details of this unit. But before we do that, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair clip, a Luv Me Hair red tail comb, a Luv Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, wig caps, and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. Yes, honey, here is she goes. Like, I look like a black Barbie. I am here for it. Yeah, she is 100% spring and summer approved. Okay, she is gorgeous. She's like a bombshell beauty. All right, just look at this color. Oh my god, just look at this color. Oh wow. Now let's get into the details of this unit. Okay, this is Luv Me Hair Ash Blonde 5x5 loose body wave wig, honey, with the removable cap. Yes, you heard me, it has a beautiful cap, but we're gonna get into that later on. Let's get into the details. So the color that I am wearing is, as I said in the title, is an ash blonde, and baby, she is giving what she needs to give. She is so beautiful and perfect for this time of year. I am wearing this in the length 14 inches, and I feel like this is the perfect length for this time of year. It's not too long, it's not too short, but it's giving you the body and the flowiness that you need. Okay, The density on this unit is 150%. The lace type on this unit is like a regular lace, and the lace area is a 5x5. So you're able to part this in the middle as I am wearing it now. You're able to do a left or right, or do a little C part as well. The hair type on this unit is 100% human hair. This unit comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back. This unit also comes with an attached adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you that glueless effect. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. The shedding on this unit is there, honey. It's there. You're gonna get some shedding with this unit, okay? Be prepared. But she is so worth it, okay? I'm thinking because the hair is colored, that's why it's shedding. Just be prepared that the shedding is gonna come with this unit. But she is still worth having. Is this unit glueless? Absolutely. I did not put any glue. All I did was put some boots, and look at this. Okay. Glueless, baby. Glueless. Glueless. Okay. Now, a couple of features on this unit, as I said earlier, is that this unit has a breathable cap, baby. Okay, so you can have that airflow and you're able to scratch your scalp, baby. You know it is hot. It's about to be really hot in a couple of months, and having that breathable cap will be very beneficial with this unit. The wig life on this unit is 1 year or more, depending on how you care for it. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of this unit. Y'all should already kind of tell what the pros and cons are, but starting with the cons. The cons to this unit, baby, is that it sheds. Okay. It sheds. It really sheds. Okay. She sheds so much, but I love her still. Another con to this unit is that it doesn't have I feel like the hairline could have been plucked some more. Like, you can go in and pluck it, but coming right out of the box, you would need to pluck this hairline. Okay, it's a little not there, but it's still cute. I just wish the hairline would have been plucked with this unit, but you can go in with some tweezers and lightly pluck the hairline to give it a more natural look. But other than that, it's still a gorgeous wig. Okay, moving on to the pros. The pros to this unit, baby, is the color. The color is so gorgeous. I absolutely love the fact that it has the dark roots to this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I feel like Luv Me does a very good job when it comes to their coloring. They do a fantastic job, in my opinion. Love the dark roots. Absolutely love it. I feel like if it was all the way ash blonde, it would have been hitting as hard. But having these dark roots, baby, yes, it's all that. All that. Okay, it's all that. All right. Another pro to this unit is that it is so flowy. It's airy. It's not a lot of hair. It's just the right amount for this time of year, so that you can still get the flow but still get the body. It takes curls very nicely, and the length, baby, perfect. Absolutely perfect. So would I recommend this unit? Hands down, yes I will. Oh yes, I will. Hands down, recommend this unit for the spring and summer season, because honey, she gonna get you right. Just imagine yourself with this unit with a flowy sundress. Oh baby, chef's kiss, baby. You gonna look absolutely gorgeous. Go around here looking like a drop dead top model, or call yourself a Barbie in this hair, baby, because she is all that. Okay, she is top tier, the wig that you want to have in your wig rotation. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.